Sup guys and gals, welcome to my channel Killer Wolf here, and today I'm back with another tutorial. Now for the past couple of days I haven't done one because I've been tired and stuff, but today we're just going to be doing the camera since we've got everything else set up. Now when I'm on about the camera, I'm not on about the animation where it like rises up and then shows the thing. What I'm on about is the actual selection and everything like that, so where you can go and everything. So for that what we need to do is add a new layer, and we've got to make sure this layer is below, what's on this layer? If I go to layer 5 and hide this, what have I hidden? Okay, so that's the clock. That's not hiding anything, so we got to put layer 3, the layer that was layer 5 to layer 3. So this is the one with nothing on it, because that's got the perspective object, and this has got the time on. This is going to have our camera on. So what we want to do is we want to insert an object. Insert object, and it has to be an active one. I'll just go drag this here, open it up, and we need to go, now this part, what we can do is we're going to right click and press new, and we're going to call this cam stage. So that's the stage camera, and what we have to do is put the different kind of things that this camera has. So we're going to import, and we need to ignore that, that's just the game I'm making. Desktop, it's in here somewhere. No, that's the wrong one. This one. Rooms, stage. And these are all the rooms that we need. So there's more than 4, there's 7. So we're going to open this one first because this is the main one, and then we're just going to click OK, and that's done. Now we need to drag this along so we have more directions, and then we're going to go here, import another one, and that'll be this direction. Okay, so now these two are both black. Now we need this one, and we're going to go with Bonnie and Freddy. This one here is going to be Chica and Freddy. This one here will be Freddy by himself in his normal state. And this one here will be Freddy again, but when he's looking at the camera. And this final one down here is going to be when no one's there. Now you can see that this one's empty. That doesn't matter, we don't need that one, we just won't access it if we don't need it. So we can click OK. I forgot that I haven't quite finished that yet. So after the stage we need to put a new animation in, which is cam, which is going to be the bathroom, no, not the bathroom, dining area. There we go. So that's the dining area, and I can't quite remember how many cameras this one has. So we need to go back to rooms, dining room. There's exactly 6, so we're going to open the Bonnie room. We're going to drag this along at the bottom, add the next room part, which is Bonnie in a different place, then this one which is Chica, and this one which is Chica in a different place, and this one which is Freddy. And then we got the final one, which is, oh god, that's not what I was trying to do, which is no one in the room. So we've got that. Now we're going to insert a new one, and that is going to be cam. Oh god, cam underscore. Let's go with the Foxy stage. So Foxy stage. Actually, technically, we should call this Pirates Cove. There we go, Pirates Cove. Now this one I believe only needs like 4 or something like that. I'll have to check. Stage 2. Oh wait, no, it needs 5. Oh no, we don't want that. Right, we're going to open the closed one. So if it's got 5, we've got to move along again because there's not enough space. Then we've got this one and this one. And we got stage 3, so that one, and then we go in here and we do 5. Oh yeah, and before I just because I forgot what you're supposed to do to be able to add new animations and stuff in. What you have to do is right click on this bit down here, the animations thing, and then you click new, and then it will let you name it. So this next one's going to be cam underscore parts oh, I've already done space room. So this is the parts room, and I believe the parts room only needs 4 because only Bonnie goes in there. So that one, yeah, it only needs 4. So we're gonna go with Bonnie, and then we're gonna go up here, and we're gonna import the next one, which is Bonnie again. That is creepy. And then we got the one where no one's in it, and then we have the final one, which is the secret, which I've called parts room R because it means parts room random or rare. Oh yeah, it means rare. So we're just going to right click again, insert a new one, and this animation is going to be cam underscore. I'm trying to remember what's the other stage we need. Oh yeah, the bathroom. Because the bathroom is closed, even though it's called the restroom, but I'm just calling it bathroom because it just seems better. Bathroom. So we're gonna have Chica 1. So once again, this is another one that only needs 4. So we don't have to do much with that. This one. Now there is something that this kind of camera does. The camera controls itself by moving left and right, and just like the Office, it also has the perspective object, because the cameras in Five Nights at Freddy's 1 are the same size as the Office himself, whereas if you look at other games like some of the others, there's like Five Nights at Freddy's 2, it has some that have cameras that don't move at all. Five Nights at Freddy's 3, which is the one that hardly anyone likes, has things like what was it? It has a smaller camera screen, so the camera's quite like mini. I don't know why why that was like that, but it was. And then there was also Five Nights at Freddy's 4, which didn't have cameras at all because it was mainly about the story. So we're going to name this camera the left hall. So this is cam left hall. I believe the left hall also only has a few things in it. Left hall, main. Yeah, it's only got 3. Foxy is, well, it's got 4 actually, because Foxy. Wait, no, it's only got 3, because one of them is with the light off, and that is because the light flickers on and off. So we've got to go and insert the dark one, click OK, and then we got to add a new frame, and in this frame we'll add the light. Okay, and I don't know how this looks. Oh yeah, I forgot to put it on loop. There's a chance this may cool. That's too fast. Lower speed. This should be higher speed actually. This should be 30. Yeah, that looks better. And then we go to next direction and insert Bonnie this time. And we've got to go in here and we're going to copy the dark section and put it before Bonnie. That's after him. Right, so we have Bonnie. Yeah, okay. And we put loop on that, change that to 30 as well. So we've got this. Yeah, that looks good. Okay. So next what we want to do is put the next part in, which is Foxy, which, oh, I told it to do new for some reason. Right, Foxy. Now, I am probably going to have to do this all manually, putting it in, because it's that annoying thing where Collecting Fusion doesn't know how to work. So I'm just going to pause the video and I'm going to put all these frames in, and I'll be back. Right, so I did it. It works fine. I don't need to change the speed because that's how fast Foxy runs anyway. So this one's perfectly fine. You just get to see that. So now we need to put the next part in, which will be cam underscore storage room, and we need to add in the parts for this, which is left wall. No, it's not in left wall corner. Last time I checked, that wasn't the storage room. Where's the storage room? There, storeroom. So there's only 2 for this one, so it shouldn't take that long. So we need this one, which has no one in, and this one, which has Bonnie in. I don't know why I did that in reverse, but yeah, that happened. Now we're going to do new cam underscore. This one is left wall corner. Now at the moment, as we're so early on in the series, the images for the characters and stuff won't be the important thing that we need to do, because we're not going to be touching them until we've got everything else right. So that's like the opening camera animation and all that sort of stuff. And I've obviously got to try and figure out how to do the character movement system in the way I want it to do. There may be a chance I may end up just creating new images if I have to, but I doubt that, because I don't want to do that, because then that would just go away from what Five Nights at Freddy's is. So, why are I C? Oh yeah, corner, that's what I meant. I've just decided to leave out on the characters. So we've got to go with C1, which is Freddy normally, and then we go up here. I think there's more than 4, so we have to do that. Yeah, wait. Yeah, there is more than 4, because we only need one of these, and then we also need another one, which is the exact same, but that'll be for like later nights. So we need this. That one should have been R. I don't know why I didn't put R, because that's a rare occurrence. We've also got Golden Freddy. we need to do stage 1, which is for the first couple of nights, and then we need to do stage 2, which is for the other nights. No, I don't want sprite sheet. Imports animation. Okay, so we have our 3 images. That goes too fast, because if I put that on loop, he shouldn't be moving that fast, and plus we need some more variation in this. So we're just gonna Control C, B. Right, there we go, he's changed places. C, Control V. Okay, that one's changed places, we don't want that. Yep, that looks like it's fine. We just need to slow it down a bit, so higher speed should be 40 maybe. I'm just going to add some more frames in for variation. It looks kind of funny, but that's what it's going to be. So we've got all of that for the left corner. Now we're going to add a new one in, which is cam underscore right hole. I'm sorry if you can hear my keyboard. It's a clanky one because it's my laptop's keyboard. Right, so now we need to see what kind of stuff we have for the right hole. So right hole main. I should wait for it to load. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There's 6 of these, so we're going to go with Chica 1. Then we're going to go over here. Oh, I forgot to not import this as an animation. That was a problem. Import as animation, no. Right, there we go. And in this one we need to put Freddy. In this one we need to put no one. In this one we need to put random one, rare one I mean, with the crying children. And then we have finally got the other rare one, which is It's Me. And then we go new cam, oh god, cam underscore kitchen. Now, I've forgotten what the size of this is. Right, the kitchen, we're just gonna paint this black a minute. That was not painting it black. Wait, press the new button. That is not black, that is brown. There we go. I'm just gonna click OK a minute. That's the size. So we just need that. Open that up. Kitchen. How do I resize? That's crop. No, that's not it. That's transparency. How do you resize an image? It doesn't seem to have a resize option. I don't understand this. Why? Export, import. How do I don't think I can. Wait, delete. Yes. Actually, no, I know what to do. We can import this, then we can go clear, and then we can delete this, and then we can go fill, and now we have our black background for the kitchen. So now we can create a new one, which, oh god, that was cat box. Okay, it's just called CM. Let's rename that. Cam underscore, and this was right corner. I call it right hall, but it's actually called like west hall or something like that. So we're gonna go back here, corner, and then we have a load of images. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So we're gonna open up Chica first. Then we're gonna add this. Oh wait, I failed at that. I don't know why import as animation isn't turning off. Okay, there we go. Then we're gonna import Chica. That can import as an animation. That one's fine. Once again, this needs to be set to 40. Loop. Add some variation. That failed miserably. Alright, then we can copy this, paste this, copy this, paste this, and then what should happen? Yeah, okay, that's what happens. Then we go into the next camera, open, and then we're going to import Freddy, turn off import as animation, click OK, next, import CN. It's not importing it as an animation, and then we go to CR1 and CR2 and CR3 and finally CR4. So this time we used up all the slots. And I believe we've got all the cameras. So we've got the stage, the dining area, pirate. I nearly said Pirate Bay. It's not Pirate Bay. The part room, bathroom, left hall, store, left corner, right hall, kitchen, right corner. Okay, we've got all the cameras set up. Now, it doesn't really matter about that. We should probably set up the groups and stuff for the what is it, for the cameras. So we're going to insert a group of events, and this is going to be camera yeah, just camera, and then we can click OK, and then we're going in here we're going to insert a group of events, and this is going to be selection, then we in 70 under not in that but underneath it, we're going to put this in so selection, show, and in 72 we insert another event, and this is, let me try and remember, it is, so show is to do with showing the camera itself, the static and the map and the recording. Selection is changing cameras, and oh yeah, movement. Okay, there we go. And that's all we can do for this episode, because otherwise I'm going to end up overrunning, because there is a lot of stuff to do, and I also need to sort out the maps and stuff so they all work. So at the moment nothing's going to really be there, it's just going to be kind of like a thing in the sky, top corner, so there's no point in me showing anything to you, because it's literally, I could probably show you why I can't show anything. It's just going to take a long time to load. This is the point where I ended up stopping the tutorials because this was happening. And it was really annoying because it was at that point I didn't edit stuff, but I'm not really good at the editing because I've got to upload this, otherwise everyone's going to think that I'm not uploading this. It's taking a while to load. Why is it taking so long? It's not that different from last time. Alright, I'm going to pause the recording and I'll be back when it opens. Alright, okay, the program is now open, so you can see there's not really anything here. There should be something up in the corner, which is the camera, but it doesn't seem there. So you can literally see it's the exact same as the thing that hurts my ears. Yeah, so that's literally it. We cannot do anything else. So, anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed this episode. Hope you guys learned something from what I showed, which was literally just importing images and showing you how to add new animations. Obviously, if you didn't understand what happened in this tutorial, I can tell you in the comments below, so just make sure to ask. And also check out some of the other stuff on my channel, like I've done some TF2 videos, and I've also, well, a TF2 video, because I didn't get to do one on Wednesday because my friend was busy. And also check out my Robocraft video, and I think I'll be releasing another one today as well if I can, unless it ends up coming out at midnight or something like that, because that's what ended up happening last time because it took so long. But yeah, make sure to check those out, and also subscribe and like this video if you seemed interesting in it, and keep an eye out for more tutorials. Another one will be coming out tomorrow, which will actually be implementing all the features in the camera and so forth. But anyway, thank you guys for watching, and I shall see you guys next time. Goodbye.